Do you have a Windows 11 computer? And is it telling you there's an update, 22H2? You want to know more about it? Let's take a deep dive into it today and see what it's all about. Y'all stay with me. Windows 11, we got an update out. It's called 22H2. It's probably got some huge name, but we're going to look at it. So let's go ahead and get to it. We'll drop down to my screen here on my recording, and so down here in the bottom right, there's a little icon with two circles or two arrows and a blue dot. It says get the latest features and security improvements with the newest Windows 11 update. I'm going to click on it here, and I checked for updates, and it says Windows 11 version 22H2 is available. See what's in this update. So if you click this blue link, it's going to bring you to this page right here under support.microsoft.com. To preface this, I'm going to say I already have your data backed up. Back everything up and make sure that if you're on a production machine, if it says security updates, you might want to do it. If it's just enhancements and prettying it up, unless you need those features, I wouldn't do it. But me, I can rebuild this thing in just a matter of minutes. So, and this is to show you, you may decide to install this, you may not. So let's look at it. So under the Windows 11 22 update, create folders for your apps in the start menu. So before you could just drag the icon up for the application. Now you can have a folder and stick all your applications in there. See your favorite files in File Explorer and Office.com. You have to be signed in with a Microsoft account or a work or school account. So you can do that. Show off your family with personalized emojis. I don't know anybody that likes to do this. But grant you, most people I know are old. But it says create an emoji that represents your family by changing the number of people, skin tones, and more. So if you're into that, cool. Make videos in minutes. So apparently they've added a thing called Clipchamp. And you can create a video from either video clips or pictures. You can add text, stock art, and stickers. Turn on voice access to talk instead of type. I like that. I like using voice for a lot of things. As long as it's good. As long as you have a good microphone and you enunciate, you're good. Use live captions for any content with audio. That's a cool thing. Capture every word from meetings to your favorite podcast. Personalize your font, text color, text size, and more. I like that. If you can't turn the volume up, you can always read it. So, swipe up for taskbar shortcuts. That's a good one. Customize your start menu layout. Now, I will be doing that because I don't like Windows 11 start menu. Improve PC performance by saving resources in efficiency mode. That will be good for lower power tablets and lower power like ARM-based laptops. So that'll be good. Updated controls for your sound and brightness and stuff. I don't like the way it does now, so if you look at this, that's not really, I just don't like it. Open games with a single touch. If you're a gamer, that may be what you want to do. And turn on Do Not Disturb automatically. So, I don't really do that either. So I tell you what, it doesn't say anything about security fixes. So, you can go to the Insider blog to find out more, but it doesn't look like it. So, if you want to put this on, back up your data, make sure it's not a production machine, and go ahead and do it. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. You go through the EULA on it. It tells you a bunch of stuff that you can read if you have the time. And I'll time how long it takes to download it and install it. It's right now 12:26 p.m. I'm on my lunch break. We'll see how it does. It's not going very fast. We'll come back in just a minute. Alright, we're back. It took 1 hour exactly to download and do the install, restart, and the whole bit. So I found a web page. Let me find it again. Alright, so the web page I found, and I'll put links to everything in the description. Update fundamentals. They're trying to make it smaller. So some of it said 450 megabytes to where some of the updates were up to almost 3 gigs. I can't tell exactly how much mine was, but it took exactly an hour. It's pretty good size. One thing I would recommend is to go to wherever your manufacturer is, Dell, HP, motherboard manufacturer, and make sure your drivers are up to date. See if they have new drivers for 22H2. I'm going to do that here in just a minute, but alright, the one application they talked about, Clipchamp. Well, look at it. It looks like a Canva alternative where you can go in and make little videos or little social media ads or whatever. That's what it looks like. I'll try it out and see what it looks like. The start menu stuff, no thank you. The start menu stuff, you can go in and change a whole bunch of the stuff, you know, how many little pinned apps, folders. You can personalize all the folders and stuff. Looks like a lot of cosmetic changes to me. It doesn't look like anything serious. That is the Windows 11 22H2 update. Anywhere from 400 megs to 3 gigs. I couldn't really tell, but it took 1 hour exactly. And my machine's not a slouch. It's pretty quick. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope you get something out of it. If you got any questions, leave me a question, leave me a comment. I answer all the questions, reply back to them. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. And I hope everybody's doing well this week. I hope you're having a good week. And that's about it. So, like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching.